So I'm doing a complete rebuild of the Hurricane, employing all the different ideas I've had to improve performance. Here's the tail, sort of almost all the way through the development process, or the build process, I should say. I thought I'd just show you. It's been enlarged slightly over the initial prototype, both the vertical and the horizontal stabilizer, and the control surfaces as well. And it's this is the construction. It's internally, it is a foam. It's a 2mm foam. It's very flexible, and it's got on the flying surfaces, the control surfaces, on the leading edge. It has a 2mm carbon tube, a tube being lighter than a rod, and that obviously creates a rigidity to the part. But it also is a point of rotation for the hinge. So as you can see, this one's covered, so inside here you've got very similar structure to what you can see on the elevator here. And obviously you've got the control horn, which is integrated there. You can see it on here that it's sat there. It's secured both sides, and then you have these hinge points as well. You can see here that are built into the part, into the trailing edge of this is the vertical stabilizer. You can see there. So I can't actually put them together because I'm holding the camera, but they just literally clip in like so. And you can see, if I just switch the scales on, you can see the weight of these parts is fairly small. So that's 1.69 grams. Let's just go with so that's the vertical stabilizer. That's actually less than a gram, so 0.74. And then with the rudder, that takes you up to just over 2 grams. You can see there. So that's where I am at the moment. We're going to rapidly move forward on the build process, and I'll keep you up to date as we go.